if you're cutting into woodwork and doing it possibly at an awkward angle, not everybody has a perfectly steady hand. So, what I would do is get some low-tack paper tape, like this, put it over the corner, smooth it out with your fingernail, push it right into the corner, like that. Then get a knife, run your knife right in the crack, like that. Peel the top bit off, smooth it down again, deal with sticky paper, and then paint away quite merrily, not worrying about cutting in. And then when it's dry, perfectly straight line.